So here's how I make my almond milk. I soak my almonds overnight, and then I use a half a cup of almonds to 5 cups of water. And I just literally put that in there, and we blend it up. Pretty easy. Blend it twice. Next, you get yourself a pot. Put this little sieve on top, and here's a bag. This is not a nut bag, but you can use one nut bag, and then you just pour it in there. I'm doing this with one hand to show you, but you pour it in to the bag, and then you can let this bag sit a few seconds, a few minutes for it to run through the sieve. See that? It's pretty simple. It's all you gotta do. Then you pour them into your sterilized jars, and you got almond milk. This is how I fill mine jars up. I get a funnel and then a little container and pour my milk into it. This is the healthiest way to have milk. You don't have to harm an animal, and you know exactly what's going into it. Then I cap it off with one of these little white ball jar lids, and I can store this in the refrigerator. It lasts me about 5 days because we drink milk a lot, and I get about 5 to 6 of these jars. What I do is I usually put 4 in the refrigerator, and then I put the rest in the freezer. I don't freeze them in this, of course. I freeze them in my Ziploc gallon bags. And then when you need milk, you just pull it out of the freezer and thaw it out, and then put it in one of these. And how to thaw it out, you just put it in hot water. So simple, and this is easy. So you don't ever have to worry about running out of milk as long as you have almonds. Thanks for watching.